This is a pleasant surprise.
You are the bigger surprise. Para akong tanga nagpupumilit kay Michelle na nasa Baguio at may conference. Mabuti na lang meron akong kaibigan na member dito.
Kasi napospone yung conference namin. Pero akit din ako sa Lunes. By the way, Diane, this Chesa. Chesa, Diane.
Hi.
Hello.
I watch your show. I must say it's a good show.
Thank you. I'd like to speak to my boyfriend, please.
Sure. I'll wait for you in the clubhouse, Marvin.
Okay. What brought you here?
Well, unang-una, para patunayan ang sinasabi ni Michelle na panuloko mo. And now that you've been caught in the act, huwag mong tatanggihan ang hihilingin ko sa'yo, ha?
Wala akong kasalanan, pero hindi naman kita pwedeng tanggihan eh.
Di ba may club ang uncle mo? Di ba dinala mo na ako doon minsan? The food was good, pero the singer was terrible.